Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Trello to save articles. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to trello.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right. After that, sign in using your email or Google account. Then go to the board section and click on create new board. Over here, name your board something like reading list and click create. Then click add a list and create a list named to read. After that, create two more lists named research and reference. Then click add a card under the to read list. Over here, go to the article website and copy its title. After that, paste the title into the card name on Trello. Then click the card to open it and paste the article URL in the description. After that, click Save. Then click on Attachment, paste the link, and hit Insert. Over here, click on Labels, choose a color, name the label, and save. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.